Multiply 0.042 by 100 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 0. Multiplying by 0 makes this whole row 0. The first partial product is 0. Now use the tens digit, 0. Start one place to the left. Multiplying by 0 makes this whole row 0. The second partial product is 0. Now use the hundreds digit, 1. Start two places to the left. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 4 is 4. The third partial product is 4,200. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. The ones and tens columns each add to 0. Move right to left, 1 column at a time. In the hundreds column, 0 plus 2 is 2. In the thousands column, bring down 4. The whole negative number product is 4,200. Count the highlighted digits after each decimal point. The factors have 3 decimal places altogether, so the product needs 3 decimal places. Place the decimal point 3 places from the right. 4,200 becomes 4.200. That is simply 4.2. So 0.042 times 100 is 4.2.